Women of 40 years old look 30 years old when they apply this cream that completely eliminates their wrinkles, expression lines at the edge of the mouth, and all the wrinkles on the neck. To prepare the first recipe, we will need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix them well. This helps against inflammation and dullness. Apply this daily in the morning and leave it on for 15 minutes, then wash with water. For the second recipe, we will need 1 piece of banana. Peel the banana and mash it well until it forms a paste-like texture. Then add coconut oil and mix well. This natural cream helps to exfoliate your skin and fight against wrinkles and dark spots. How to use it: apply this on your face in the morning and leave it on for 15 minutes, then wash it off. Use this daily for 15 days and you'll be amazed by the results. Don't overuse this unless you're ready for a white glow and Japanese glass skin in just 7 days. First, we will need 1 fresh tomato. Cut the tomato into pieces as shown in the demonstration. It brightens the complexion, reduces pigmentation, tightens pores, and softens fine lines. Once cut, put the ripe tomato into an electric mixer, then add a small quantity of milk and blend well until it turns into a smooth paste. After blending, transfer the mixture to a bowl. Take 1 tablespoon for demonstration, then add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well. Now our magical anti-wrinkle face pack is ready. How to use it: apply this to your face in the morning and leave it on for 20 minutes. Then wash it off with water. Use this daily for 15 days and you'll be amazed by the results. You can store this mixture in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Have you ever tried this remedy? Women who are 60 years old look 20 years younger with this simple natural recipe. For this, first we will need 2 tablespoons of flaxseed in a saucepan. Then add 1 cup of water and let it boil over low heat for 10 minutes, stirring continuously. Once it boils, extract the flaxseed gel using a net cloth. Add 1 tablespoon of flaxseed gel to a bowl. This will be the base of the mask. Next, add the active ingredient by adding 1 tablespoon of fresh yogurt and mix well. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of rice flour and mix completely. Rice flour helps fight dullness and wrinkles and gives you baby-like skin. How to use: apply this to your face in the evening, leave it on for 15 minutes, then wash it off. Use this daily for 15 days and you'll be amazed by the results. Use this daily for 15 days and you'll be amazed by the results. Have you ever tried this remedy? You won't believe how it can lengthen your eyelashes and thicken your eyebrows in just 3 days. Watch this recipe till the end so you don't miss the important steps. Bookmark this video so you don't lose it. For this, first we will need 1 onion. Grate the onion, as it is beneficial for the growth of eyebrows and eyelashes. Once grated, extract the onion juice using a fine strainer. Then add 2 tablespoons of Vaseline to the onion juice. Place the mixture in a hot water bath for 10 minutes until the Vaseline melts completely. Transfer this mixture into a jar and store it in the refrigerator for up to 15 days. Apply it with a mascara brush and leave it on for 15 minutes, then wash it off. Use this daily and you'll be amazed by the results in just 7 days.